Right, jumping into the GRSport version of the Corolla Cross. It's the petrol engine version, which is interesting to note, not the hybrid. But they have played with the suspension. They've tuned the suspension a bit. They've also played with the EPS, so the gearing, the acceleration, and I'm noticing a bit of fun with the exhaust note as well. There's definitely something on the exhaust note that they have added to the car. There's no doubt. The handling's nice. I must tell you, this is pretty neat. I'm going to do what you did, Lawrence, and just do another quick round here.
Yes, here we have actually Alan Rosenmeyer, the legend of motoring matters.
Motor matters, sir. Now let's go. Listen to this exhaust note. I mean, it's really giving quite an interesting little exhaust note. Let's see if I can get it up to the 140 mark as they said. Yeah, nice and easy. There we go.
Show your tummy.
Yeah, thanks, Laurie. Yours is just as big, so we're not going to comment, okay?
I'm not saying anything.
But I tell you, this thing is going. I mean, there's no way the standard Corolla Cross has got this kind of oomph.
No, it hasn't.
Of course, one thing they didn't tell us, did you notice?
What?
They kept very quiet about what the pricing is going to be.
Yes.
I wonder what premium we're going to end up looking at for this one.
Yeah.
But I think it's worth it, personally.
Yeah.
I must tell you, let's have a bit of fun here, come on. And here we go. I'm going to give it.
This is not a hybrid.
No, this is the standard petrol one. That's the difference, I think. But listen to that exhaust, man. Hey. And what Toyota are super proud of is the fact that this is the first little gift they're giving themselves for the reopening of the factory.
Yeah.
Sort of their little gift to themselves. Nice one, I must tell you. Impressive. I think that's the word I'm going to use. Okay, in the GRSport Corolla Cross, you can see a lot of red treatment across the dashboard. Things like that, red stitching. Laurie driving me for a change. Laurie, how's it, pal?
Get in here.
Yeah, okay. I mean, they say that they've tuned the suspension slightly, adjusted the EPS, so the throttle response on this one, it's the normal petrol version. So, Laurie going around in circles for a change, typical Laurie. Okay, yeah, I know what you're up to, you. Okay. But, Laurie, what's it feel like? First impression?
Quite zippy.
A lot more zippy than the standard one, that's for sure.
Oh, no, zippy.
Yeah. No, they said we can go up to about 140 if we want on this little stretch, so that's what Laurie's doing. It's smooth as well, eh? Not bad, I must tell you. Not bad at all. So it's just leather seats, got all the kit you'd expect from the car. And yeah, I think this is quite an improvement. Looks wise, I'll show you the outside. Hey, it looks pretty hot, I must tell you. I'm impressed by that black front grille and a few features like that.